this video, I'd like to talk about a system that is not recognized by Western medicine, but it is one that I'm sure you're familiar with, as it gets activated with every physical injury and emotional trauma that we may experience. It's called the Acute Flows System. Let's take a closer look at exactly how the system works on a physical and energetic level, and then we'll take a brief look at the gemstones that vitalize this system. Physically, the Acute Flows System plays a role when you need a surge of energy to heal an injury, handle a crisis, or feel a rush of adrenaline or a burst of emotion, or are struggling to remember something important, or need to surround yourself with a wall of protection. The Acute Flows System coordinates the complex cascade of functions and processes required to give you instant energy or information when and where you need it. Energetically, the Acute Flows System performs a similar function. It coordinates the borrowing and lending of energies among cells, organs, and systems to keep your body functioning at its best, even when faced with short-term injury or stress. The system works equally well in the emotional, memory, and mental bodies. Most physical trauma and injuries have an emotional component. Your emotions can also be hurt without physical involvement. In either case, the Acute Flows System immediately intervenes to bring the body back to its status quo. It does the same for the memories and thoughts involved in trauma, minimizing any long-term effects. Every system in the body can be vitalized and uplifted by the energies of certain healing gemstones. We pair Riverstone with blue tourmaline to create a gemstone formula that vitalizes all aspects of the Acute Flows System. Together, these gemstones prepare channels for when an increased flow is needed. They help smooth and strengthen the channels so that healing energies can move quickly and easily to their destinations. If and when these flows are needed, Riverstone with blue tourmaline helps the body allocate which types of energies the Acute Flows channels should carry. Wear Riverstone with blue tourmaline when you want to channel your body's healing energy after an injury or crisis. Meet urgent situations intelligently for more efficient self-healing, and build up your ability to heal as quickly as possible after injury. By providing energetic support to the Acute Flows System, Riverstone with blue tourmaline can also help open channels to flows of fluids that move only occasionally, such as tears, urine, and digestive juices. These gemstones also balance masculine and feminine energies and channel those energies needed for maximum exertion, such as during childbirth or exercise. If you want to speed up your healing process, then strengthening and vitalizing the Acute Flows System should be an important component of your recovery strategy. Because the Acute Flows System is an energetic system, it is particularly responsive to gemstone therapy as a healing tool. My name is Isabel Morton, and I'm the founder of the Gemstone Therapy Institute. I invite you to learn more about Riverstone and blue tourmaline and our systems approach for selecting the right gemstones for you. Thank you for watching this video, and best wishes on your journey to greater health. Please see the links in the information box below this video screen to learn more.